And just recently cleaned the bitch out. Got a couple of these boards. Got some surge protectors. Alright, you set the bitch up. You're chucking the Incredibles. Right.
Roll, or what?
CD's shit.
Whole roll?
Whole roll.
In box?
Make it a ball.
The whole roll?
Yeah. Oh, we'll see how much the roll is. How much of the roll there is. Shit.
I think the clip is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck this, man. I don't really want to be close to it. Well, I'm working.
Is it warm?
No, cunt. It's colder than my fucking hands.
Fuck's sake, eh?
Fuck this microwave. We're going to
Video
chuck it in. Fail.
Video fail.
We're going batteries and
Shit. It's shit.
battery and lighters. Where the
Yeah.
battery and
Right in it.
batteries, matches, everything.
Put it in for
Ready?
fucking...
Run back, run back.
Put it in for 1 minute. Oh my god, it didn't go down, it didn't go down. Is it down? It's down. I feel like I feel heat. Oh, what do you call, honestly, what do you call this shit, eh?
What was that cunt?
Oh my god, it just went boof. Hold up, get the tape, do a better tape job on it.
I think we need to turn the power off first.
Yeah.
What did you press?
At the moment. So we came to the conclusion that this bitch won't heat up because that spark, like when I went near it, was the fucking some shit in it blowing up. One of the techniques or some shit, I don't know. I don't know the technique. Fucking breakfast. This microwave, we put some water in a bowl in it, and it doesn't make heat.
Solid 5 minutes, that.
Yeah, fucking yeah. That was a good like at 5 minutes.
Fuck.
Fucking hell. Oh shit. Shit back. That fucking flex. The back wheels aren't even on the ground. I wouldn't even call that flex, that's just the bitch fucking...
She's stuck, cunt. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Whack on the brakes.
You'll wipe me out.
Race it down for the footage.
Fuck you, dude.
For the footage.
Oh, my finger.
Here, I'll help you down.
Ready? It's gonna go probably arse over.
I'm helping you.
Oh shit, man. Fucking hell. Negative.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking hand.
What happened to your hand? Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm sick of that fucking shit.
Oh my god.
In perfection, the chomping. Oh, that was good.
Oh my god. Holy shit, look at this shit. Oh my god, it's bent. That's meant to be coming straight out.
It's cracked.
It's cracked. Oh my god.
Holy shit. That was a fucking... Oh my fuck. Oh.